Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 and a half Ford Galaxie 500 Fastback with a 390 and a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at my local pizza parlor. Actually, as I was going to pick up my pizza, it just happened to be sitting out in the parking lot at my local pizzeria in San Diego, California. And I figured I might as well get a quick filming of it and some pictures. And this one looked to be a Survivor. Looks like it may have had a paint job because the paint was a little bit too nice. But it had the bucket seat interior with the 4-speed underdash air and some Japanese-style mirrors on the front fenders. So I'm not sure what that was about, but it was different, that's for sure. And some nice day 2 wheels on it, set it off nicely. And in the nice burgundy color. I guess the 390s with the 4-speeds were pretty rare on them. But the 390 put out 300 horsepower and 427 pounds-feet of torque. So they had pretty good power to get going. This was part of the second generation of the Galaxie, which went from 1960 through 1964. And they had a 119-inch wheelbase, and they were 209.9 inches long and 81.5 inches wide. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.